pretty good. Yo, but isn't this like, doesn't this look like a leg? It's giving foot. It's very much giving foot. Hi, today I'm gonna become a sculpture artist like Spencer from iCarly. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to when I was looking for which piece I'm gonna do, and I'll meet you guys back here. Roll that clip right now. This is the moment. This is everything. This is it. Okay, calm down. I really wanted to do the bottle sculpture. Not me making excuses for cool projects that I could have done. The thing is that I'm a full-time student and I would not have been able to create the bottle sculpture and have it out in time for the new season of iCarly.
Now.
Okay, so why do you need this job?
I myself dabble in a little sculpture art. I'm lying. Okay, besides this, I don't know how many things I've made like from scratch. One of my proudest moments, as I stated in my room makeover, is this little model of a oh, I forget this again. Henry Ford's first wagon. Like, this is a flower pot, the front of it. This like piece of cardboard, this is like piece of plastic that I cut off with like a lotion bottle, and it was just like me bringing out my resourceful, you know. Of course, they start off with the bottle bot.
It's like your twins.
This splatter man, let's do it. Okay, we know we're not doing the light helmet. How do I not do all of these? Because like I can make all of these out of air dry clay, but I want to do something fun, like what I could use like random materials to do too. The bike. Oh, the bike would be so cool too. Oh my goodness, the metal sculpture. Well, he had like this big like tin and he was just like smashing it. I don't even have to explain it because you can see it right here. That would be so much fun. Listen, the day when I get like a studio space to have like do like just stuff, I gonna be doing stuff. Okay. Anyways, that was a lot of conceptualizing, you know. We did a lot of thinking, and I think I'm gonna settle on the toasty and the, I can't remember the name of it, sculpture. Okay, so it's time to actually get started on this thing. You start with foil. I know that much from just like the internet and being on YouTube and being on Instagram and being on TikTok. I don't know how big I'm gonna make this thing, but it's not gonna be life size. I can't make it life size. I just can't. I don't have enough air dry clay, first of all. That would be so sick though. Oh, and the good thing about it is only one color. Ah! And it's lumpy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ah! Did I cheat by choosing the easiest project? I don't know. I'm moving my shop outside. That's a very Caribbean thing to say, but you know what? By that I mean my table, my air dry clay. This is all I have left. A dish with water and foil. The foil, anything else, all I need literally. Let's get started with the foil. The clay pack could come after. First, let me get the picture. Let me get the picture. Can I get a screenshot? And can you make it last forever? And he has like a chunky booty and a big top.
Small waist, pretty face with a big bang.
I only have two angles on it. This angle and this angle. Yeah, I prefer to work with this angle because you get more of like a front facing, and then this one will give like a side profile so you can see how thin it actually is. They're kind of almost similar, but I prefer this one. I'm gonna start with the feet. Okay, wait, no. How do you even get foil to like, you know? Okay, hold on. He has like a really thick foot, and then the other foot is like small. Is it possible for me to just do this and call it like a leg? I don't have that much clay. I'm gonna try to use all the clay that I have. How do I possibly attach everything? Whoa. Y'all are doing a little bit too much now. A little bit too much.
For sculpting any planets.
Okay. Oh, a planet is just a circle. I look at somebody who's doing something intricate. Okay, this person. Actually, I think I know how to do it. I think I know how to do it. Also, how much is foil? Ow. It's kind of really pointy. So this is a foot.
Wow.
Oh, is she coming together already? Yeah. Now I use a piece of this foil to create a joint between the foot and the leg. Oh, this is not so bad. Not so bad. Not. That was pretty good. Look, isn't this giving foot? Yo, but isn't this like, doesn't this look like a leg? It has a heel, it has an arch, it has a meaty like thigh. It's giving foot. It's very much giving foot, and I barely tried, bro. Yo, I'm just like that. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Okay, let me chill. You see, a real artist would proportion everything beforehand and have like numbers to work with and stuff. But yeah. His one's like, you know, bent, and it's also not proportional. But like mine is way too, like his top half of his body is so small, and that's what makes it what it is, you know. Thumbs up coming out of the body with no arm, nothing, and then the other arm is like extremely long, you know. And then this foot was supposed to be shorter than this foot, but in mine it's like almost the same size, and I have to give it a bit more of a tush because his one has a tush. So oh, those kind of details along with the neck piece will go in with the actual clay. Okay, here goes. Oh, I think you already know where this is going. I was gonna make this microwave chow mein, right? And I was like, I think we have taco shells. Chow mein tacos is not the same as spaghetti tacos, but like for the sake of this video, I feel like I should. Is it even gonna taste good? Like crunchy? Actually, why not? Preheat this to 325. To heat a microwave, place shells on microwave plates. Oh, I can do it in the microwave. Turn that off. Let's just do one shell. I ball up a piece of foil and put it in between the shell to keep it together. He was like, "Who that she bad?" I was like, "Oh, that's best." I'm just not Nicki Minaj. Wait, why is my bun? Oh my gosh, it burns. This in 45 seconds. It literally burned. Like what? Yo. Oh my god. Yep. I'm stupid. I am lucky to be alive. Everybody knows you're not supposed to microwave foil. What is wrong? What is wrong? Yo, y'all can tell. Oh my god. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. It's me. Let me get this stuff on my frame. Okay, they could stay. This better be good. Okay, here goes. Wait.
No. Well.
Kind of also, no. I tried not to say. It would have tasted better if I had like chicken or something. This is good. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not bad. The flavor from the taco shell adds to it, and the crunch adds to it. So like, why not? I am just an icon living. So that we can live with this. Just get it. I stop for 5 minutes. Oh, I'm so hot in the face. Eyes first was before the award show. Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Liyah dripping in the torso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Damn. Last girl signed the divorce, so what? Now I'm focused on me about the all blow. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? Look, we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No ice in the Swiss, no titles. Look, wait, we just want to make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. I took the game with my eyes closed. Last girl before the award show. It needs a bottom, a buttocks. It's like flat, you know? I contacted on my torso. Me and Liyah dipping in the torso. I ain't even taking on torso. Rush with this fire, I'm also. Young kitty dying on the floor, so. Okay, the nails are great. But oh, see? I keep nicking it, like, but it's great to blend like this. Y'all think I could act? Like if I wanted to go into acting. I never wanted to go into acting ever. But like, if I did, y'all think I could do it? You know, like, I got one buttock on, and it kind of gave the shape that I wanted in the back. That's a huge buttock. And then my nails come in handy for this part. lie. Okay, every time you catch me, I'm just a little dun da da dun da da dun da da. It's amazing how I've had eyebrows for this entire video. But anyways, a few days have passed. I allowed this to dry. I'm not gonna hype myself up, but like, wait, look at this. The butt is so huge. Okay, dun da da. Right, and it's like conjoined, I know, but like I went kind of crazy. You see there's like a crack. There are parts where you can see the foil. I believe I can make like a clay paste to just cover up those stuff. Fun tip, do not YouTube search Splatterman. There was this weird picture with, oh my gosh, somebody flying a kite. There was this weird picture with Tobey Maguire with his eyes bulging out. But look, somebody flying a kite. You see that little black dot in the sky? Okay, you can see the kite. It's so cute. Should I show them up? Nah. Don't want to have any kids crying today because I got a better kite. Anyways, I was thinking to do this splashy with paint thing that they did in the episode, but nah. I like this as just a pure aesthetic. It looks like a marble figure. Okay, let me stop. It does not. But it's like all like, you can see all the imperfections, and I like that about it because it's similar to Spencer's plaster. That's what I'm trying to say. It reminds me of like plaster. I tried to keep the same energy as I kept in the Payphone case, although it's not the same show. They were both created by Dan Schneider. May his soul rest in peace. He's not dead, but he's dead to me. I ran with it. I done did it. So I've decided to stick to what I'm good at, which is simply editing it in. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that just complete my life. That's basically it though. So thank you guys for watching. Be there or be square. Okay, bye. I run with it. I done did it. Why is that stuck in my head? Wait, Nikki, wait! Because today is somebody was saying. You know the guy on TikTok with the heavy jawline? That's how I feel.
Somewhere on the desktop leaves the zip file mixtape of the next Pac kid.
Also, chunky New Balance shoes, so sexy. Okay, let me focus. Oh, when I have all my stuff outside, she be like, could take a setup shop out here. So yeah, it's just become a thing that I say too.